Okay. So, I do have a run tonight. It's a 6160 versus a single turbo 10-speed Mustang. 2K aside minimum starting, and we're meeting in Mexico, of course. I'm just on my way right now to go pull out cash for the race tonight. I'm a little bit, can you even see? Oh fuck, I'm running I'm running late as fuck. I gotta be there by 11. Am I even racing if I'm not late? I'm probably gonna be like 15 minutes late. But yeah, so Zr1 versus a single turbo 10R80 5.0. Should be a good one. I honestly should fucking lose the race. I mean, that car is faster than mine. I've seen what it runs, but I mean, literally my only hope is that it fucking spins. Besides that, I'm supposed to lose this race, but we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go put out some cash right now, and then I'll be on my way. Okay, mission failed. It didn't let me pull out cash. I said I was negative. It said daily limit exceeded. I don't know why. I pulled out 60 bucks earlier to get my tires balanced, but that was it. Okay, now I'm on my way.
My friend, what do you think's gonna happen tonight?
I don't know. He's gonna get fucked like I fucked Carissa, or he can pound like I pound Carissa.
Bro, why do you still look like you're thinking about that girl right now?
I am. Hell no.
What do you gotta say? If you ever seen her again right now, like she pulls up right now in some other dude's car, what are you saying?
She pulls up in another dude's car?
Would you cry?
Nah, I'd probably kiss her.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Drew's gonna get fucking gapped right now. Hey, that car might fuck you up right now.
Might?
What do you think's gonna happen?
I love my dad.
At least you got fucking...
Yeah, I'm ready to go home, bro.
What do you think?
I'm gonna get fucking pounded.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, we said 500.
What do you think? What do you think?
That's a...
Hey, I already got a grip on.
Oh!
I need some.
Hey, ball sack. What do you think's gonna happen today?
Hey, that's just funny, huh?
Oh. What do you think's gonna happen?
I think the Shark's gonna win tonight.
Drewchain's son right here.
That's a fax motor, bro. Hey, no.
Excuse me.
You recording?
I've been said that. I said head up on the post. I said, did you read what I said? You said I'm illiterate, but you read what the fuck.
Oh, there it is.
You read what the fuck I said, so.
You can't read. Well, I mean, the car's faster.
You got a passenger? You got a horn? You got a horn?
She said,
Swear to God, you got a horn? It's horny right now.
Okay. You on right lane, 60 to 160. With the bro,
You're gonna leave before me anyway.
you have a PD blower. You're gonna instantly just boom.
What the fuck is a PD blower?
Positive displacement blower. Come on, man. Science.
NA guy.
Science, bro.
He's that name.
Yeah, I'm an NA guy. I'm down for the hit. It's not like a big deal.
Damn, you should have just said that. We would have never came, bro.
I mean, I'm racing a faster car. Let's be honest.
You said Prodigy, what do you have? Like, we just trying to help you out, bro. We're trying to get this fresh Zr1 on the road, bro. Trying to get you some
A
stripes.
faster car? I mean, I said fuck it.
Like, okay. What do y'all think, y'all? We should give him a hit? We're not giving him a hit, bro.
Oh, yeah.
No, so, well, you're not going to race because you're not going to give you the hit?
Yes.
So how much of a hit do you want? 1 second?
What the fuck
half
does
a
that
second?
even
I know,
mean?
right?
I get that. I take the hit. He gasses when he gasses.
So you just take the hit. You just go first, pretty much, barely, and then you see. see where. Would you do a 50 roll?
Yeah.
Since you want the hit so bad, you want to do a 50 roll?
I can tell. I don't know how the fuck you did that.
Damn, this is not Burger King. We trying to give you some flavors.
Here's the thing, I don't even know the fucking car.
But this is your time. This is your time to learn the car.
For fucking money? I'm down to test. That's what I'm saying. I'm down to race.
We didn't say, hey, Drew, what do you want to do? You said Prodigy.
No, he threw you at me. I didn't say, hey, I want to fucking sing.
Bro, you tagged our whole page, bro.
What does that mean? I tagged you to find me a fair fucking race. You throw a car at me, I say it's fast as me. What do I always say?
So, could we do a 50 roll, you get the hit? Or a 60 roll, you don't get the hit?
Yeah, you got lane choice.
Yeah, you got lane choice.
It
don't really matter.
It's a different story,
But that's pretty fair, right? You want the hit, we can do a 50 roll. If you don't give us a hit, we do your roll.
I don't know how 50 is going to do with the car, though. I've never done 50.
I mean,
I didn't even know what 60
was. If you're putting money on the line, you should have did all this shit already.
I wasn't like, I'm going to do a 50.
Yeah. So do a 50.
I'll do a 55. Because I mean, 50 is still 7.
So we'll do a 50 and give you the
55.
So you still wanted your... You get the hit.
Or 60.
I can't, bro, it's the fucking same gear. Even if I'm getting hit, I'm still going to be...
Bro, you have the best gears, like, of every fucking car ever.
I mean, he has like 10 feet. That's literally the best fucking car.
I'm talking manuals right now. But anyway, 60, this is pretty fair. Like, I'm not even like... We give you the hit off of, like, 50. It's fair.
That's my Dixie. That's always my gears. Wanting to see something.
No. I said we I can't get hit. I said it several times. We're not giving you the hit. Several times. You should have just said no. We could have just all these.
You just offered the hit on the 50 roll.
Nobody exactly. We're trying to compromise because he needs the hit somehow on the Zr1 that makes 850. So sure.
You're hoping he spins or what?
I'm not hoping for shit. I'm giving him the hit because he wants a hit in an 850 wheel horsepower Zr1 or whatever it is. If you called out an 800 wheel horsepower RS3, you must know it's kind of fast. Just saying.
Like I see, that's the thing. See, there you go. I called out another car.
But how are you gonna say you don't know the car but call it a car that's fast as fuck? Because you don't like that. I don't know.
Because I've been wanting to race it for a long time. I told him I was gonna race it when the Z6 released.
So you're not gonna take 60? You know it.
That's, I mean,
what about 50 in the hit?
I'm not doing it. Why would I race a fast?
That's why we came here.
I mean, I came here to race.
You came here to get flavors on, bro. I'm trying to give you a race. I'm trying to compromise because we wasn't even gonna do a hit at all. 50 in a hit is like pretty cool. That's like not even like that's legit. Like I'm not even trying to fuck you over. We got 2,000. We got 2,000 right now.
Yeah, right now.
We'll find out how much you have. Maybe not. I'll let you know.
What does that have to do with what we're talking about right now?
That's everything. Let me know how much you have now that you don't have.
How much do you want?
It's not nice.
What's gonna make you say
I don't know.
50?
That's what I'm saying. Let me know how much you have. I mean, it's not a fucking trick question.
Just let me know what you want. Let me know what you want, and I can make your order for you. How about that? All right. So you just let us know how much money you want, and
6160. You act like I'm fucking asking for an automatic window. Fucking intense me.
Bro, you're in an 850 wheel horsepower, 3,000 pound car.
Let's go put it on a dyno. If you want to pay for a dyno, I'll put it on.
Sure, bro. You're in a ported blower.
Okay.
Zr1 that weighs
1,000 horsepower, 2650 fucking nice. I'm your fuck. That car's fast.
Damn. I wish I had money like you, bro. Jesus Christ. Because the reason why I'm saying no hit, right? Because we give you the hit, and it's not enough of a hit. like, y'all gonna come back over here like, oh, you know, it was a hit. Like,
It's gonna be the hit.
Fuck if I hit it and
I mean, I'm not saying y'all like that, but there's square ass niggas that would.
if I fucking gas it and he gassed it at the exact same time, I got the fucking hit. It don't matter. I mean, if he goes before me, that's different.
So if it's the same roll, if it's the same gear, right? Why don't you just do the 50 then? You said it's the same.
Lower RPM is gonna be done. Clearly, it's gonna be less torque.
Exactly.
You just said science.
But how do you know? I mean, you might know. You said you don't know your car. It might be faster from a 50. It might be helping you up.
What the? Are you telling me how do I know it's gonna be slower at a lower RPM?
You just said you don't know your car. It could be like magic dust in that bitch. I don't know.
Like I said, I'm down for the 60.
You down for like
I'm racing a faster car.
free money or some shit? Like, what?
How is that free money?
I thought y'all wanted to race. A race ain't no
No,
like.
they didn't want to race. I want.
Hey man, you get 50 feet in front of me and like that's lame, bro. Just race.
I'm down to race a faster car, 6160 with the hit. What's the problem?
Oh my God, y'all saying y'all want to race? That's not a race.
Who the fuck is y'all? It's me.
I don't know. One of your fucking people just I want to race.
Well, you've been fucking talking the entire time.
Y'all been talking.
I told you 50 to 160, you get the hit, or 60 to 160.
6160 with the hit. You can do any amount. I'll match whatever you get.
I like the confidence, but I'm not trying to give you a hit.
I'm not trying to give a fast car a head up either.
So what? You said we can go get some money and then you would reconsider, right? Okay. So
6160 with the hit.
you're gonna reconsider that? That's not a reconsider.
Well, then that's what I'm agreeing to. I don't know what the fuck to tell you.
I mean, shit.
You guys got the best view.
You agreed to 60.
Yeah, with the hit. I never agreed with no hit. I never agreed with no hit.
Sir, why don't you just say no?
Shut the fuck up. Nobody's
Why
talking
don't
to
you
you.
say no?
We would have raced last week if I agreed to giving you a hit.
You said what?
We would have agreed last week if I agreed to giving you a hit.
I literally, the last time we spoke about anything was with the hit.
Why did we wait a week to meet up?
I told you on Sunday, you said no.
to race it up. That's why.
For one, I knew your car was faster from the jump.
We don't know.
I didn't want to race your car. I said, fuck you,
I know
no one
you
else
didn't.
wants to race
But then
me, so I'll race.
that's what I'm saying. You grew balls to race it up.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted.
With the hit.
I didn't want.
I posted it with the hit.
Yeah, that was like 2 days ago, and then you posted, all right, again. I'm doing head up.
I didn't say head up. I never said head up. Not once.
I have messages. We agreed.
No, you have messages of you saying head
We
up.
agreed to head up.
I'm down for a 6160 head up. Give me half a car.
Have
Half a car. Head up. Find out how much you have.
We got 2K.
You got no more than that? I mean, I have fucking people putting $500. I mean, talk about it. Let me know. It takes 5 minutes.
Yeah, they got more. We got more. All right, guys. Looks like you're supposed to get some half a car.
Please hit my car. Please hit my car. Fuck.
That shit was pretty fucking hard time. It really was. That shit was damn straight. Okay, but we're not talking about it. We're talking about self. That's what we're talking about.
even trying to argue about it.
Let me see some shit.
Scared the fucking run.
How am I scared? I fucking raced. Why the fuck am I scared? How about you went there for? You did a lot of fucking talking.
I didn't not even fast.
Okay, I don't think it's not fast. It's not fast. Bring it out. I'll fucking drag that car. I guarantee. By the time your car is ready, I'll fucking drag that shit. Okay, then bring it out. Get that shit running. I'll run you for any fucking amount. Okay. Get your car ready.
I literally just said, hey, you run him.
You did way too much fucking talking. You were saying
You're so scared.
How am I fucking scared? I raced twice. I raced twice. Like, how the fuck am I scared?
Are you racing, bitch? Are you racing? Are you? I don't give a fuck about you, nigga. Like what?
Nobody got time for that
Yeah,
bullshit.
nigga, because I don't give a fuck.
You don't know me, nigga. You don't know me.
Y'all niggas
You're not
scared,
like, bro. You are not like that, bro.
Bro, you have no idea
You are
who I
not
am.
like that.
You know what I'm on. Gotcha. Where you at? Yeah.
Bro, shut the fuck up. You have been doing the most fucking talking
Because
for no
you have
reason.
been doing the least racing, nigga. You've been pacing
Because
around
we
the
went on a
15.
fucking stupid freeway.
Me and my niggas got
If
work.
we would have won the
Everybody got
71,
work,
if we would have
right?
won the
Everybody gotta go to
71,
work, right?
you're the one that was being a little bitch about it.
Everybody
I
gotta
said
go
let's
to
go to
work.
the 71 for the jump.
We all gotta go to work. Wait 45 minutes. Honest, I just want to be
Like I said, you're still talking. You don't gotta fucking run a car. That's just Please get that C6 ready. Please, I'll fucking dog the fuck out of that.
Niggas in the barbershop. Chip keep it.
Please ask all the money.
They're gonna argue for 30 minutes. You can't have everybody.
I'm down with staying back.
Maybe you're absolutely right. Wait for 30 minutes and we'll tell you.
That's just me though.
I'm talking out loud. I'm talking real loud.
Stop listening to me. Close your fucking ears.
How the fuck am I gonna close my ears? Tell me that.
Hey, whoever added, y'all want to add more or not? I'm gonna close my ears. Retweet.
Hoolies, close your ears.
I thought I was gonna see you. That motherfucker's ears. Oh, you fucking did it. Oh my god, pop up ears.
Is this nigga Soldier still weak? That was at work. Soldier's right here, Chief.
I don't want to come my car.
Until you poo? It's a fucking knee slapper.
Andrew, South Tower.
It's a fucking banger.
Put me to the next round.
I literally have bricks. Okay, guys, we're going home.
None of them niggas.
We're going home.